When skies are cloudy and gray, they're only gray for a day. So
all right, it's about 9 a.m. We just arrived in Sydney, Australia. It's too early to check in, so we just dropped off our bags and we're gonna grab some cafe. Okay, so we're still on the search for some cafe, walking around the Redfern area of Sydney, just a bit south of the central business district. So there's cafes on every corner. You got Lingaloo Cafe Bar and Breadfern.
Life's really funny that way. No use to grumble, smile as they fall. Weren't you king for a day?
Quick morning coffee brekkie break at Breadfern. Breadfern.
Small cup.
There you go. Here's your pie, sir.
What happened to mine? It's toasted with butter. Oh, what about you? It's coming.
Oh, it's coming out.
Oh, what's up?
Look at this. Look at the flake action here going on. That's the chicken mushroom bechamel.
How come it's so hard?
Look at this buttery, flaky goodness. There's a little ham and cheese inside.
Your castles may tumble, that's fate after all. Life's really funny that way. But no need to grumble, smile as they fall. Weren't you king for a day?
Alright, mates. We just checked into the Tudor Hotel. You guys are right at home. Let's just do a quick tour around the very classic, spacious area. So this is the living space area. This is also doubles as a bed, which is where Ling and I are gonna sleep. And then this is the main master bedroom. Ling's folks are gonna sleep here. And if it sounds loud, it's because this hotel, around Australia and New Zealand, they seem to have these like kind of saloon bars. So you have like a bar on the first floor, bar/restaurant, and the second floor is a hotel. We're on that third floor above the bar. So if I want a quick pint, I could just pop on down, and there's a bar restaurant down there. As you can see, people are drinking, having a good time. There's a nice beer garden in the back. This is the Tudor Hotel in Redfern's area here in Sydney. And this is the kitchen. Boom. And the bathroom. I haven't checked this room out yet. There we go. Shower, sink, and you know how that works. They use paper here, it's not the Philippines, so no wet wiping, it's all dry wipe. We were on the red eye from Melbourne to Sydney, so I smell pretty funky, so I'm gonna take a shower, maybe grab a quick nap, and then we're gonna continue exploring Sydney. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I just took a little quick power nap, took a shower, so I'm feeling refreshed. I'm no longer sour in the armpits from that, that red-eye overnight travel. I got some pretty lousy sleep, so this morning was pretty brutal, but now I'm feeling refreshed. It's about 6:15 p.m. We're not in Sydney for very long, so Ling and I are gonna try to squeeze in as much sightseeing as we can. So we're just leaving the Tudor Hotel right now. I'll show you guys the setup of this place. So there's 2 floors of rooms, very classic looking. And then as soon as you open this door right here, you're basically in the bar area. So they have this whole beer garden and inside pub area. Pretty practical. Yeah. Oh. Everyone's here to watch Australia compete the cricket match. Awesome. So that's the Tudor Hotel. Hey kids. Beautiful day. Sun finally came out. We've been traveling along with Ling's parents, which has been a lot of fun. But Ling and I are considerably younger than they are, so... And
we got a babysitter.
They are just a lot slower moving. The way Ling and I work when we travel is we're like bang, bang, bang. All right, let's get up, let's go, let's do this, 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 and this to try to maximize our time. That's something that we've gotten used to traveling for the past year and a half. But all of a sudden, we kind of had to change gears with Ling's folks because they're a lot older. So that speed that we were going at, we'd have to turn it down to about maybe 40% or so. If we were going at 100, then we had to dial it down considerably.
Something that should take half an hour would take an hour.
But anyways, we left them behind, so
You
now
don't see this.
we could go at our usual speed. Yeah, I don't. Okay, so we're gonna pay to get on the subway using our PayWave. I got in. Now we gotta figure out how
Don't
to
know
get.
where we're going.
We're gonna check out Darling Harbor.
Your castles may tumble, that's fate after all. Life's really funny that way. No use to grumble, smile as they fall. Weren't you king for a day? Just remember that sunshine always follows the rain. So wrap your troubles in dreams and dream your troubles away.
As a tourist, it's very practical to get around Sydney using the public transportation because you don't actually have to buy a Metro Pass or a Subway Pass and load it up with money. All you need is either a Visa or a MasterCard with the Payless option, and you just tap in to get on the subway and then forget to tap out when you head out.
Number 6 working to Wynyard. So there's nothing going to Wynyard. No, I don't know.
Success. All right, here we are. George Street.
When skies are cloudy and gray, they're only gray for a day. So wrap your troubles in dreams and dream your troubles away. Until that sunshine peeps through, there's only one thing to do. Just wrap your troubles in dreams and dream all your troubles away. Your castles may tumble, that's fate after all. Life's really funny that way. No use to grumble, smile as they fall.
All right, we made it. We're here. Darling Harbor, or Darling Harbor.
Just remember that sunshine always follows the rain. So wrap your troubles in dreams and dream your troubles away.